Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make crab hands with paper. First, gather your materials: red or orange construction paper, a pair of scissors, and some glue. You'll need 2 sheets of paper for each hand you plan to make. Make sure your paper is a standard size, like 8.5 by 11 inches, to ensure the claws are large enough. This project is fun and perfect for costumes or playtime. Now, let's start forming the claws. Take 1 sheet of your colored paper and fold it in half lengthwise. Carefully cut along this fold to create 2 long, narrow strips. You'll repeat this exact process with your second sheet of paper, so you should end up with 4 strips in total. These strips will form the main structure of your crab claws. Next, we'll assemble the handpiece. Take 2 of your paper strips and apply a small amount of glue to one end of each. Press them together firmly to create a longer strip. Now, form a loop with this combined strip, bringing the unglued ends together and securing them with more glue. Repeat this entire process to create a second, identical loop. These loops will be the main parts of your crab claws. To finish your crab hands, take your 2 completed loops and attach them together at their base using glue. This creates the iconic crab claw shape. For wearing, you can create a simple paper wristband and glue the finished claws onto it. Now you have fantastic paper crab hands. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's perfect for keeping your crafting space tidy with voice control and self-emptying features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.